What up, everyone? Happy holidays. It's Colin, your boy from Finance Futurists. Here is your news rundown for January 4th, 2022. So, this week, I'll go into IMF's global economic forecast, the impact of generative AI, and SpaceX's latest funding round. Last week, the IMF International Monetary Fund, a global financial aid agency, predicted that the global economy will see inflation fall, growth slow down, and that 1/3 of the world will experience a recession. The major economies of the US, Europe, and China are all experiencing weaknesses due to COVID, war, or inflation. However, in good news, the reopening of my ancestors' economy, the Chinese economy, will benefit both exporters and importers, stabilizing global supply chains. Our take is that the US economy will likely see a short and mild recession in 2023 with a rise in unemployment. Since early 2022, companies, markets, and central banks have all been anticipating a recession in response to the sharp growth of 2020 to 2021. Because of this, they've taken steps to weather a recession. As the leading indicator of the economy, the stock market has shifted to a bearish risk-off mentality, as investors are favoring safer stocks and assets instead of riskier ones like tech stocks. The stock market may not move much in 2023, and I am personally staying cash heavy and taking advantage of some high interest saving accounts. In tech news, an image maker startup, Poly, is bringing generative AI to 3D designs to support video game development. Using the same technology behind ChatGPT, sorry, I know we're probably all tired of hearing about that, on DALL-E 2, Poly aims to put tools into the hands of creators to help them create the best assets, fonts, visuals, etc. for their needs. In other news, Elon's SpaceX is raising a $750 million round of fundraising. I'd personally be interested in fundraising, but all my cash is just tied into real estate. The new round of capital would value SpaceX at $137 billion. Over the last year, the company had 60 successful launches with reusable rocket parts and used its satellite internet service, Starlink, to provide internet access to conflict zones across the world. Our take on the tech news is that the adoption of generative AI will make creative output more convenient and accessible than ever. AI tech stands to disrupt writers, artists, and content creators, and they know it. Yes, we do know it. Many creators are already calling for anti-AI protections to safeguard their careers and the value of human-made art. Generative AI was the big tech breakthrough of 2022 and will likely be more adopted in 2023, posing challenges to creators and related marketplaces and fields. I'm personally looking to leverage generative AI in some of my projects. It might be for good, it might be for evil. I'm not sure. I just know I need to give it a try. Anyway, thanks for joining us in this week's news review. As always, please ask questions and drop comments below. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.